You're fine there, man. Yeah. Hey, how's it going, man?
Pretty good.
Yeah, what are we up to here today? What are we all dressed up for?
Oh, we're gonna go jump, man. See if I can land from 13,000 feet.
Jumping out of an airplane.
Yes, sir.
And that's your first time?
Yes, sir.
Excited?
Nervous, excited, a little bit of everything.
There you go, answer everything already. And what's the occasion?
Birthday.
Your
28
birthday?
years old, man. 28.
Nice.
I made
Sweet.
it this far.
That's cool. All right, man, let's go have fun, and I'll see you by the plane.
Let's do it.
See you then.
Nice.
Yay!
Getting there, a little anxious.
Yeah?
Ready to do it, yes.
Ready? How do I do? Totally ready. I feel ready.
Great. All right, man. Big smile for me out there, all right? I'll see you in the sky, man.
We'll see you there.
There.
How's that, girl?
That was fantastic. I mean, I feel like I just did that right now.
Would you do it again?
Hell yeah.
You want a shot with Chris?
Sure.
Go by here and take a picture.
All right.
And you want to say anything to Tyre for the birthday or something?
Happy birthday, babe.
Yeah.
That's all I gotta say.
All right, real quick. Chris is pretty busy. Awesome.
Yeah, if you guys like, well, I'll mention it, JR, but
How was that?
That's fucking awesome.
Can take our goggle off, man.
Thanks, man.
Go by Jar. Let's take a last shot together, man. You and Jar. You and Jar real quick.
All right.
Thumbs up. Skydiving Red Rocks. Happy birthday, buddy.
Thank you, guys.